Highway surveyors and Dankaurs play a crucial role in the design and construction of highways. Their primary responsibility is to gather accurate data and information about the land and terrain, which is essential for the planning and development of highways. These surveyors are highly skilled professionals who use specialized equipment and techniques to measure and map the physical features of the area. They work closely with engineers and architects to ensure that the highway design meets all safety and regulatory requirements. One of the key tasks of highway surveyors and Dankaurs is to conduct topographic surveys. This involves measuring and mapping the elevation, contours, and other physical features of the land. By doing so, surveyors can identify any potential obstacles or challenges that may impact the design and construction of the highway. They also gather information about existing structures, utilities, and natural resources in the area. This data is then used by engineers to create an accurate and efficient highway design. Surveyors and Dankaurs also play a vital role in determining the alignment of the highway. They use advanced surveying techniques such as DGP sand total stations to establish precise horizontal and vertical control points along the proposed route. This helps ensure that the highway is properly aligned and meets all required standards. By accurately measuring the distance, slopes, and curves along the alignment, surveyors can calculate the appropriate grades and curves for the road. This information is crucial for designing safe and efficient highways that can accommodate different types of vehicles. Another important aspect of highway surveying in Dankaurs is conducting property surveys. They identify and mark property lines, record legal descriptions, and prepare detailed reports that are used for land acquisition purposes. In Dankaurs, highway surveyors are essential to the planning and building of highways. Their main duty is to obtain precise data and information about the topography, which is crucial for the design and construction of roadways. These surveyors are highly qualified experts who measure and map the region's physical features using specific tools and methods. In order to make sure that the roadway design complies with all safety and legal criteria, they work closely with engineers and architects. Topographic surveys are a crucial duty of highway surveyors and Dankaurs. The height, contours, and other physical characteristics of the land are measured and mapped in this process. Surveyors can then pinpoint any impediments or difficulties that can affect the highway's design and construction. Additionally, they acquire data regarding nearby utilities, natural resources, and built structures. Engineers use this information to produce a precise and effective highway design. In Dankaurs, surveyors are crucial in deciding how the route will be laid out. For the purpose of creating precise horizontal and vertical control points along the suggested route, they employ cutting-edge surveying methods like DGP sand total stations.